Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's video I want to show you guys how to draw the Mandalorian and the child. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to curve over and down. When it curves over, it's going to be kind of flat on the top. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line. It's going to go up, it's going to curve over, kind of flat on the top, and then it's going to come back down here. May go a little longer. Next, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and we'll draw another line right here that's going to curve down, and then I'll make a little line that curves up and down right in the middle. Now, starting about right here, I'm going to make a line that goes straight across. And then right here, we're going to make a line that goes down a little bit on each side. And then it's going to come down here. I'm going to make a line that curves up and over here. And we'll do the same thing. We're going to curve up and then go over. Right across the top here, I want to draw a line. And right here, I'm going to make two little lines that go down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, over, and down. And same thing here, out, over, and then down. And I'll make a little line that goes up and over here, and then up and over right there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down like this, and I'm going to make another one that just goes down like this, and we're going to go over. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over to here. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to come back to here. Starting right here, I'll make a little line that goes down. I'm going to draw a little oval shape right here for the thumb. And then I'm going to draw a couple more oval shapes right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down, and that's going to come back here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and then come right back up here. Right here, I'm going to add a little line that curls up to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and then up. And then starting right down here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down. It's going to go over, and it's going to come back up here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and then come up here. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, it's going to curve around, it's going to come back here and go up. And then over here, this one's just going to curve, it's going to come across here and then go up. I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of copies the bottom on this one, and I'll do the same thing here. It's just going to copy the bottom. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line across. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and over. It's going to come up here, and then we're going to go straight down with this. I'll add a little line right in the middle. going to add another little line right across here. And I'm going to put a couple little lines right on there. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And then a couple little longer ones right here for the hand. Right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines for the boots. And then I'm going to draw 2 little lines right here on that one. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, and I'm just going to put some lines going across or up and down. I'm going to draw 2 lines here and then 2 lines right there, with a little line that goes down and over, and then one that's just going to copy it like that. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down. Draw this one, it's going to go down, over, and then up. Going to make a little line that goes out and down, out and down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, it's going to curve up and down, and then come right back up here. Make a little line that curves around here, it's going to go down and come up here. Make a little line that goes up and over here. A little line right there for the hand. And then I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, out, and then down. Now we're going to make a little line going down here. It's going to come down here to here. Next, I'm going to draw the little cape that he wears. So I'm just going to start a line right here. It's going to curve out. I'm going to go over, going to jump between the legs here, and then just bring it right up there. Next, I want to draw the child next to him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape like this. I'm going to draw a little square shape here. A little line that goes down and up. A couple little lines on it. Make a nice big curved line right here. Then right here I'm going to make a little line. It's going to go up. It's going to go over and then down. And a little curled line right there. Make a line that curls up on each side. I'm going to curl around here. Right here I'm going to draw a little mouth and then a little tiny circle for a nose. Then I'm going to make a big circle for an eye and then another really big circle for an eye. And I'm going to color in most of this, just leave a little bit white. Do the same thing on that one. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curl back. Same thing here, it's just going to go down, come to a point, and then curl back. Make a little line that curls around on each side. And then we'll add some little lines for the eyebrows. Then right here I'm going to add a little line that's going to curl around and come to here. We'll add 2 little rectangle shapes on each side with a little smaller one next to it. We're going to add another little curl line here. And then I'm going to add a little rectangle shape here and then a little rectangle shape right there. Then right up here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes down and kind of curls up. I'm going to add some little lines onto all the fingers here. Do the same thing on here. Then I'm going to add just a couple little lines here, and then 2 little lines or 3 little lines right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Mandalorian and the child. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.